Okay, detectives, we're going to go over how to do an assembly. The very first step in this case is to go ahead and make a new document. So you click on this plus, that opens this new one. Now I'm going to go ahead, and in order to pull another component into it, I need to hit save. So in this case, I'm going to do sample Lego assembly. Then hit save. From there, once it's saved, you can actually begin to pull in the parts. So for example, I can take the blue Lego, pull it in. Now once you do this, remember the very first one, you're going to click OK, and then you're going to right click up here and say ground. That way that Lego stays there forever. That's your home Lego, the very first Lego, the blue Lego, the leader of the pack. Now we can pull in more Legos. It goes to the same place, but it's different, so we move it. Now we're going to go ahead and click OK. Then we're going to pull in another Lego. This time, we want it to be oriented differently, so we're going to pull it to the right, and then we're going to use the little circle to spin it around. Head on over there, little guy. Then you click OK. Now for the assembly, you've got a couple different options. We're going to use the joint, which is under assemble. You can do J for joint as well. In this case, let's go ahead and start by heading to the bottom of this Lego. I hold shift, push the scroll wheel, then I'm going to select the center of this. Then I'm going to rotate to the top of this one, and I'm going to join them like that. Notice that I've defaulted to the rigid joint, which doesn't allow any kind of movement, and that's what I wanted to do. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now, I want to get this Lego and place it on top here. So I'm going to start off with another J for joint. Select the top, this corner up here. Then I'm going to spin around to the bottom and select this corner here. Then I'm going to click OK. Now I go to the home position, and I've created an assembly to begin this. You'll use multiple types of Legos and connect them how you need to, but that'll get you started. Good luck, detectives.